You see? Because the crab colors is purple, so it's reflecting to the flashlight, so easy to see them. See? Ah, no, sorry. No. Oh. Let me go, so it's hurt. Come on. Let me go. You let me go and I will let you go, okay? Come on. Oh my, it's hurt. It is hurt. Come on. Oh no. Ouch. Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today video, I'm going to go for fishing. So I'm here with my bucket and a spear. So looking for fish, crabs or snail. Something eatable for tomorrow. Okay, let's see. Let's go with me. Hopefully I will find something for tomorrow. Yeah. Looks like I see one. I saw one. Okay. See? Get one. See a frog here. But this is not something I'm looking for. Hello, green frogs. Tonight is so windy and cold. So I don't know if we can find fish or not. Cold weather like this and wind like this, the fish will not come out to the surface. Stay down in the grass or hiding somewhere. Okay, let's see with me. See one fish here. Okay, bigger one. Some water. Oh, yeah, one around. See one more fish here. Oh, yeah, it's gone. See, one more fish here in the grass. Oh. Okay, get another one. So I have walked for a bit long now, but did not find good fish. I only found 3 small fish here. I don't know why. They are hiding due to cold weather. Oh. It's gone. You see? This is purple crab. Crab. So no fish today. Maybe you. No, don't bite me. Don't. Yeah. Beautiful purple. Maybe the weather is colder than the day before. That's why the crabs come out. But I don't know why the fish is hiding. See? One more crab is here. Crab has come out to the surface while the fish is hiding in the grass. See? So another one. I got 3 crab now. I saw a fish here. Looks like a fish. Yeah, it's a fish in the grass. Oh, they are too small. Smaller than my little finger. How come there's no fish here tonight? I cannot find fish. Oh my, no fish here. They're all hiding. Yeah, so one fish here. See? But this fish I don't know what to call in English. Okay. Oh God, a small one. How come? Only small fish. It is really cold night. Wait there, yeah, see another one here. It's a crab. Crabs are easy because they are not running really fast. They are slow. Even leaf frog also not screaming anymore. Normally they'll be pop, but tonight it's so quiet. I see one more here. Hello, Crepu. Okay. Looks like I only get crab tonight. Okay, let's move to somewhere else. Hopefully I will find some fish. Oh, I see a couple of crab is come up here. One here. Oh yeah, another one there in the grass. Okay. I only get crab like this, so I must bring home along with these herbs. So something we can make a very good food from the crab with the herbs. How come there's no fish here? Normally I found a lot of fish, but maybe the weather is changing. The fishes are going down. So the small crab, they're too small. And I saw another purple here. Yeah, see. Oh, he broke his leg. What happened? Because the crab colors is purple, so it's reflecting to the flashlight, so easy to see them. Yeah. Ah, no, sorry. Ah, no. Oh. Let me go. So it's hurt. Come on. Let me go. You let me go and I will let you go, okay? Come on. Oh my, it's hurt. It's hurt. It is hurt. Come on. Oh no. Ouch. Wow, this guy. Oh, my thumb. Got a hole on it. My God. I saw fish come here just now. Oh yeah, here's a fish here. What fish is it? Okay. Okay. A lot of crab, no fish. No fish is okay. I get crab now. Yeah. Can you see? Another one is here. Yeah, can you see the reflection of the crab color to the flashlight? It's not easy to hide. Beautiful purple crab. Beautiful color. See? Wow. Okay, keep it there. It's a beautiful fish here. The rainbow color fish, not gonna catch him. Just wanna capture him. I don't know, my love. Beautiful fish, beautiful color. You can see the only crab come out. Only crabs come out. Another one. Kedam seronge kembang. Yeah. Okay, let's continue to other place. If still no fish, we gotta go back home. Okay, let's come with me. No fish is okay. I have crab now. Can you see? I'm not far. See, the crab is here. But normally field crab, there are two different types. Yeah, one is throw his leg. One the crab with the big claw, and the other one is this type of crab. It's a purple crab, but I don't know why. The only purple crab here. I did not see any big claw crab. Yeah, in my previous video I have found some big claw crab with big claw, but tonight I did not see any more. But this crab is a lot here. Okay, let's go somewhere else. See? Just talking. Now seeing another one. Purple crab. Yeah. Yeah. Another type of the crab is with a big claw, very big claw, and bigger size body. This one only small. This is his bigger size of this crab, but the other one is double size of this. See? This is windy nights, windy cold nights. It's meaning what? It's meaning spring coming with the cold wind. Yeah, over there, over down there. No fish is okay. Oh yeah, I saw another beautiful color fish. Yeah, yeah. See? Yeah, it looks like a rainbow color. But the crab purple one is here. Oh, no, don't do that, don't do that. Oh, ooh. It's nasty, he's nasty. Yeah. Bye. I don't know what to say. Is it bite or something? Oh, here only claw. But it's hurt. A lot of fish here. No, I mean a lot of crab here. No fish. Yeah, confused. So nothing else I can do. If no fish, crabs is okay. Ah, another one over there. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Ah, okay. Yeah, I see another beautiful color fish here. One more. Yeah, I don't know what fish this, but with the looks like tiger fish. I think it's not. I don't know what it just called. See the color? yellow and brown like a tiger. Ah, one more crab is here. Yeah, I want to take a closer look at the fish, but I don't know. I know it cannot catch her. This guy, beautiful. Yeah, another one here. Okay. See the color, beautiful. Okay, looks like, oh, I saw a big fish here. Oh, wow, big fish, but they're gone. So let's go back home because I've been working for about more than an hour, but no fish. I don't know because the way there and the fish go somewhere else. So I only got crab, purple crab, yeah. So since now I don't get a lot of fish. The only crab here, so I need to go back. No fish is okay. We can crab now. Okay, I forgot to find some herbs. Let's go find some herbs. There's some here. I want a better one. Yeah, they are here. Very good herb. Organic. 100% organic herbs in the field. Very good smell. Tasty too. There's gonna be enough for the food. Okay, that's all for tonight. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next video.